Hello everyone, this is Mr. Boutros Asad, and today we will talk about multiplying and dividing by 10. We will learn what happens to a number when I multiply it by 10 or when I divide it by 10. Let's answer this question first. What are 6 tens? When I say 6 tens, this means I will repeat the 10 6 times. So as the multiplication sentence 6 multiplied by 10. I know that 6 multiplied by 10 is 60. So here I multiplied the 10 by 6 and it became 60. How many tens make 90? This question is the same as this sentence, 90 dividing by 10. Because I'm asking how many tens. This means I'm dividing by 10. So to make 90, I need 9 tens. So 90 divided by 10 equal 9. What is 8 multiplied by 10? 8 multiplied by 10. I will look at this example to learn. When I repeat the 10 6 times, it became 60. So when I repeat the 10 8 times, it will be 80. What is 70 divided by 10? This is our sentence. 70 divided by 10 means how many tens goes in 70. I can count by 10 until I reach 70, and I will find that there are 7 tens to make 70. But this is an easy example and I can solve it from the multiplication or times table. What if I have a bigger number like 32 multiplied by 10? What happens? Let's understand the effect. Here I have 32, 3 tens, and 2 units. I will multiply it by 10. Let's think of each digit individually. Here I have 2. When I multiply 2 by 10, it will be 10 times bigger. So 2 will be 20. This means it will move from the units to the tens. So when I multiply by 10, each digit will move one place to the left because it will be 10 times greater. The same way will be with the 3 in tens. It should move one place to the left. It will move through from tens to hundreds. Now I have an empty place. And I know that when I have an empty place, I have to fill it with 0. So 32 multiplied by 10, it became 320. So the effect happened when I multiplied by 10 is that each digit will be 10 times greater. This means each digit will move one place to the left. And I fill the empty place with 0. In abbreviation, I can say that when I multiply by 10, I put a 0 in front of the number. Let's apply. 1 multiplied by 10 is equal to, I have here 1, and I add 0 because I multiply by 10. I can apply this strategy to all these numbers. 42 multiplied by 10. I will write the number 42, then I will put 0 in front of the number. It will be 420. 30 multiplied by 10. I will write the number 30, then I will add 0 in front of it. It will be 300. 56 multiplied by 10, 56, then add 0. So 56 multiplied by 10 equal 560. So when I multiply by 10, I add 0 or I put 0 in front of the number because each place becomes 10 times bigger. What happens if we divide by 10? Here I have 420. 420. I should multiply, I should divide by 10. Here I have two tens. Two tens means 20. When I divide 20 by 10, it will become 10 times smaller. So 20 divided by 10 will be 2. So it will move from tens to units. So 20 in tens, it will be 2 units. 2 tens will be 2 units. And applying the same strategy on the hundreds, if I have 100 and I divided it by 10, it will be 10 times smaller. This means it will be 10. So 100 became a 10 because it became 10 times smaller. This means it moved from hundreds to tens. So this 4 will move from hundreds place to tens place. So 420 divided by 10 will be 42. So what happened when I divided by 10? Each digit become 10 times smaller. In abbreviation, I can say it, when I divide by 10, I cancel the 0. I cancel the 0. Let's apply. 40 divided by 10, I will cancel the 0, it will be 4. 60 divided by 10, cancel the 0, it will be 6. 500 divided by 10, cancel a 0, it will be 50. And 730 divided by 10, cancel the 0, it will be 73. So remember, when you divide by 10, you cancel a 0 because each digit, each place become 10 times smaller. So I should cancel the 0 in the units. Thank you very much, and it was all for today. Thank you and bye bye.